एग्जीक्यूशन एक्सलेंस का आपको एक और उदाहरण देना चाहूंगा कि जैसे एक पेंटर, एक आर्टिस्ट एक पेंटिंग बनाता है और जब तक उसको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं होता उसमें वो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करता है. Like I see my wife doing it almost every day. Nino is an artist. She makes paintings, and she can whip up an oil painting in a matter of one day. एक दिन में वो फिनिश कर लेती हैं from start to finish. And she's amazing at that. And she does many different forms of paintings. But whenever she shows it to me and I give a comment, most of the time I absolutely love what she does. But sometimes अगर मुझे कोई दूसरा perspective आता है तो मैं उसे बताता हूं, तो she modifies that painting. And उसके बाद में वापस करके दिखाती है तो पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये modified है. मतलब इतना ये लोग improvisation कर सकते हैं. So an artist never puts his signature until he or she is sure that now this deserves my signature, this is complete. तब तक वो सिग्नेचर नहीं डालता. तो आपका काम, आप जो भी करो, एग्जीक्यूशन, चाहे वो छोटा काम हो चाहे वो बड़ा काम हो, लीव योर सिग्नेचर बिहाइंड. दैट्स वन ऑफ माय कोटेबल कोट्स. आप जो भी काम करते हो ऐसा करो कि अगर कोई देखे तो समवन शुड से ये काम तो हेमा आहूजा ने ही किया होगा और कोई तो ये कर ही नहीं सकता है, या ये काम तो प्रियांक रांका ने ही किया होगा, ये काम तो मनोज शाह ने किया होगा, या ये काम तो श्रीनिवासन चक्रवर्ती ने ही किया होगा, या ये काम तो हर्षित शर्मा ने ही किया होगा, या ये काम तो चेतना देडिया ने ही किया होगा. कोई और ऐसा तो कर ही नहीं सकता. अपनी छाप छोड़ सकते हो आप आपके काम के जरिए, आपके काम के पीछे. एक बाल काटने वाला, यस लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दैट्स वन ऑफ माय कोटेबल कोट्स. यू कैन अप्रिशिएट दैट मिस्टर प्रियांक रांका. Once you like something, you can always let me know that you have loved it. And what's the best way to let me know?
By clap, by CT.
That's one of my quotable quotes, that you do your work in such a way, whatever your craft, whatever your trade, whatever type of, either do it or don't do it, but if you do it in such a way that it's almost like an artist leaves his signature on the painting, you leave your signature behind. That's called execution excellence. And the world has no place for mediocrity, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you that. 700 या 800 करोड़ लोगों की भीड़ में आप खो जाओगे. इंडिया में 136 या 140 करोड़ लोगों की भीड़ में आप खो जाओगे if you remain mediocre. You have to lift and pull yourself out of mediocrity in the world of excellence, in whatever craft, whatever path you choose for yourself to contribute to this world in this life. And once you choose it, you absolutely have to make it your best, give it your best. You have to keep practicing that art. Lata Mangeshkar, the singer, the nightingale of the world, I believe she has recorded the highest number of songs any artist, living or dead, has ever recorded in the whole of this world. But even at the age of 90, she still does the same number of hours of riyaz every single day. That's practice, that's riyaz. सचिन तेंदुलकर ने अपनी पूरी लाइफ, क्रिकेटिंग लाइफ में क्या किया? एक बॉल आ रहा था, उसको बैट से मारा. That's all he did. एक बॉल आ रहा है, उसको बैट से मारना है. That's all. but he perfected that art. Irrespective of the bowler, irrespective of the type of the ball, irrespective of the pitches, irrespective of the circumstances, irrespective of the pressure of a billion people watching, he did so much of net practice, and during the net practice, he hit perhaps millions of balls, which allowed him to play his game at the best. रियाज. तो जो स्किल्स मैं आपको दे रहा हूं और जो ब्लूप्रिंट मैं आपको दे रहा हूं और आप बना रहे हैं, आपको कंटिन्यूअसली उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. एवरी स्किल दैट आई एम इंपार्टिंग, प्रैक्टिस 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 प्रैक्टिस. पागल बनकर जब प्रैक्टिस करोगे, तब धीरे 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 आपको पता चलेगा that you are moving towards greatness. And now you are reaching a space where there is nobody like you in this world. And the day you reach that space, that is why God made you unique. Because there is nobody like you in this world. Riyaz, Riyaz, Riyaz and Riyaz. Riyaz, Riyaz and Riyaz. No matter what your trade is, no matter what your craft is, no matter whatever it is that you are offering to this world, you are unique. Therefore, you can offer it in a unique way, in a way your customer absolutely enjoys doing business with you. Every single time wants to do business with you, wants to buy from you.
Mr. Kishore says, cool mentor. I agree.
Kishore, thank you.